If you follow the railway, you probably know that last weekend it looked a bit like this. Probably should explain what was going on there, and I suppose it's not really a things you now know sort of episode, is it? It's more of a news piece. Yeah. Let's do the news. Sorry, couldn't resist. Anyway, it's going to come as no surprise to people that since the railway's been closed, we haven't been running trains, except for the odd inspection here and there. This presents a problem because being part of the operations department, so your drivers, firemen, signalmen and station staff, it's a skilled job, a job you need a lot of training for. And if you don't do it for a while, well, your skills are going to wear off and fade. This is a concept called skills fade. Imaginative name, I know. So since the end is in sight, we took this opportunity to run a refresher weekend which had two objectives. One is to get everyone back into the swing of things, so you'd have lots of crews and lots of signalmen, lots of station staff all doing their roles to get back into the swing, and also so we can practice what it will look like when you come back with social distancing still enforced. Now, I did take the opportunity to go out and get some footage, so here's a little bit of footage with some really over-the-top music, and I shall see you in just a minute. There you are, some cool footage with some really over-the-top music. And I know before you write in, not everyone likes that sort of thing, and that's understandable. Some people like just theme sounds, and if you watch to the end of this video, you shall be rewarded. Now, before we go any further, I'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone who has already donated to our cause, whether it be via the website at www.watercressline.co.uk/support, or donating £10 via text by texting Watercress to 70085. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but there's still a journey to get there, so thank you guys so much. And we'd like to give you the opportunity to essentially join in. We are looking for topics that you would like to see in the Things You Now Know series. This could be anything. It could be something general, like how does a steam engine work, to something really, really oddly specific, like how does a hydrostatic lubricator lubricate the cylinders? Very specific, that one, I shall admit. Give it a like, comment below about what you would like to see, share it around so lots of people have the opportunity to comment about what they'd like to see. Now for everyone else who doesn't like music, here's some unadulterated footage of pure steam sounds. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.